Some builds just look like they're ready to raid a fjord, and Project Viking wears that name with pride. This is no ordinary Land Rover Defender 110. This is a ground-up custom, reimagined not just to conquer trails, but to do it in high style and comfort. It's the kind of rig that could haul gear up a glacier, and then roll into a black tie dinner. At its heart is a 5.3-liter LC9 V8, packing 320 horsepower, and paired with a smooth, 6-speed auto. It's got the grunt and reliability to back up its aggressive stance. And yeah, it sounds as good as it looks, thanks to a Boral performance exhaust that gives it that throaty V8 growl without being obnoxious. The suspension lift makes room for 37 inches of Maxxis Trepidors, wrapped around 16-inch beadlock wheels. Pure off-road muscle with a side of style. Up front, there's an Aircon winch bumper with DRLs and a worn VR8 winch, just in case things get sketchy. And the full external safety device's roll cage with a rear ladder. It's as functional as it is badass. The interior, though, that's where things get real interesting. Heated Croteau RRS seats up front, inward-facing benches in back, and storage tucked neatly underneath. Leather is a rich blend of envy, umber, and soft black. The Momo Eagle steering wheel, classic gauges, and JL audio sound system all vibe together beautifully. And yes, there's a full Sony infotainment setup, with SiriusXM, in-car Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and USB ports wherever you'd want them. From the KBX wingtops and Icelandic arches, to the camera's puddle lights, garage opener, and even rear AC controls, this isn't just a Defender. Project Viking is a luxury off-road tank with a savage heart.